You're juggling a packed schedule, back-to-back Zoom calls, a 4K video edit due by noon, and a last-minute AI research project that just landed in your inbox. Your laptop is struggling to keep up. The battery dies before lunch, and that ultra-portable 14-inch screen feels like reading a novel through a straw. You need a machine that doesn't just keep pace, it your needs, handles creative workloads without breaking a sweat, and still slips into your bag without waking the chiropractor. Enter the HP Omnibook 7 Flip, the next-gen evolution of the Envy X360, now reimagined as a Copilot Plus powerhouse with Intel's Ultra 7258V, 32 GB RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. This isn't just a laptop, it's your AI Copilot, your creative studio, and your travel companion, all in one 16-inch 2K touchscreen package. Let's put it through its paces and see if it earns its place on your desk. The problem isn't just about raw specs anymore. Today's users demand seamless multitasking, instant wake from sleep, and AI-enhanced workflows that feel. Yet most laptops still treat AI as an afterthought. Laggy performance, mediocre displays, and batteries that call it quits by 2 p.m. The Omnibook 7 Flip steps into this gap with a bold promise. AI performance that doesn't just exist. With Intel's Core Ultra 7258V, a built-in AI NPU delivering up to 47 TOPS, and a 16-inch 2K touchscreen, HP isn't just chasing the competition. They're redefining it. First impressions are everything. The Omnibook 7 Flip greets you with a sleek, magnesium aluminum chassis that feels both premium and purposeful. It weighs just 4.1 pounds, making it surprisingly portable for a 16-inch device, and the 360-degree hinge glides smoothly between laptop, tent, and tablet modes. The 16-inch 2K 2000 by 1200 touchscreen is vibrant, with 400 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB coverage, perfect for designers, editors, and anyone who hates washed-out colors. The keyboard is backlit, spacious, and responsive, with a satisfying click that makes long writing sessions a joy. And yes, it supports HP's Active Pen, which magnetically attaches to the side. No fumbling for a stylus when inspiration strikes. Now, let's talk performance. The Intel Core Ultra 7258V is a game-changer. With 8 cores, 8 threads, and a boost clock of 4.8 GHz, it handles everything from Excel spreadsheets to 4K video editing with ease. The integrated Intel Arc 140V GPU, paired with 16 GB of shared graphics memory, delivers smooth 1440p gaming and GPU-accelerated tasks like AI image generation. But the real magic lies in the AI NPU. With up to 47 TOPS of AI performance, tasks like real-time background blur and video calls, AI-powered photo editing, or even local LLM inference feel instantaneous. We're talking sub-second response times for AI workloads that would cripple lesser machines. The 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD ensure that multitasking is a breeze. No slowdowns when you've got 20 Chrome tabs, a Premiere Pro project, and a Teams call running simultaneously. Real-world testing reveals why this machine stands out. I ran a 30-minute 4K video export in Premiere Pro with multiple layers and effects. It finished in under 12 minutes, a full 3 minutes faster than the previous gen Envy X360. Then I pushed it further, running Stable Diffusion locally to generate a 1024 by 1024 image took just 18 seconds, thanks to the AI NPU. Even gaming at 1440p on medium settings and titles like ran at a smooth 55 FPS. Battery life? HP claims up to 16 hours, and in our tests, light web browsing and document work lasted 12 hours. Still impressive for a 16-inch machine. The Wi-Fi 7 support ensures blazing fast connectivity, and the Thunderbolt 4 ports let you daisy-chain 4K monitors or transfer files at 40 gigabits per second. The IR webcam with Windows Hello facial recognition makes logging in a 1-second affair, and the dual mics with AI noise suppression keep calls crystal clear. Of course, no machine is perfect. The Omnibook 7 Flip's 16-inch size is a double-edged sword. It's fantastic for productivity, but less ideal if you're constantly on the move. The fan can get audible under heavy loads, though it's not intrusive. And while the Arc 140V GPU is a solid step up, it's still not a match for dedicated gaming GPUs in high-end titles. Battery life, while strong, drops to around 6 hours under heavy creative workloads. But these are minor trade-offs for what you get, a machine that like it's working you, not against you. How does it stack up against the competition? The Dell XPS 16-2-in-1 is a strong rival, but it lacks the AI NPU and Copilot Plus certification. The Lenovo Yoga 9 iGen 9 is sleek and powerful, but its 14-inch display feels cramped compared to the Omnibook's 16-inch canvas. The Asus ZenBook Duo pairs well for multi-monitor setups, but its dual-screen design isn't for everyone. The Omnibook 7 Flip carves its own niche, a 16-inch AI-accelerated workhorse that doesn't compromise on portability or performance. So who's this laptop for? If you're a creative professional, a power user who lives in Excel and Premiere Pro, or a developer who wants to run local AI models without cloud costs, this is the machine for you. It's also ideal for students or professionals who need a versatile, future-proof device that can handle everything from note-taking with the Active Pen to 4K video editing on the go. The HP Omnibook 7 Flip isn't just keeping up with the future, it's it. If you're ready to upgrade from a machine that feels like it's holding you back, the HP Omnibook 7 Flip is waiting. Check the links in the description to see current pricing and availability. And if this sounds like the laptop you've been waiting for, hit that buy button. Your future self, stress-free, productive, and powered by AI, will thank you.